In this video, we'll be talking about how to withdraw money from stake to Bybit. Now, in order to do that, head over to your stake first and then click onto this wallet option. Click onto this withdraw option. Then from in there, just input right here the amount that you want to send. Now, as you can see, they will ask for a TRX address. Now, let's head over right here to our Bybit and click onto this buy crypto option and click onto this crypto deposit. Now from in there, it should be able to show you this. So just click onto the select crypto. Let's search in here for TRX because TRX is what we'll be transferring. And in here, you can choose a chain that you will be using for TRX. So let's click on one. And then from in there, once you have done that, what you can do instead is you can head over and then just copy the wallet address they will give you. Then just paste it right here and click on this re-verify with Google. Now, once it's been done, just click onto this withdraw option right here in order to withdraw it to your Bybit.